sings, it sings, great sings, this sings, that sings, everyone sings, we sing, they sing, Alice and Eric sing, you sing, I sing.
Hi kids! Today is Wednesday, 18th of August, 2021. Welcome to our online learning in English program in Primary 1 with Teacher Myra. Today, we are going to learn how to use there is and there are in asking how many questions. Kids, we use there is with one person or one object. Again, we use there is with one person or one object. We use there are with more than one person or object. Again, we use there are with more than one person or object. Last time, we learned about singular and plural. Again, we use the term singular if we use one person or one subject. We use plural if we use more than one subject or more than one person, right? Now let's learn how are we going to use there is and there are in asking how many questions. How many books are there? Again, how many books are there? So look at the picture. How many books are there? How are we going to answer that one? There is one book. Again, the answer is there is one book. By the way, why are we using there is? We are using there is because there's only one book. So, we are going to use is if it's only one object or person. Did you understand? Let's have another example. How many cakes are there? Again, how many cakes are there? How many cakes are there? Do you see in your screen right now? There is one cake. Again, there is one cake. Again, we use there is because there is only one cake in here. Another example. How many balls are there? Again, how many balls are there? How many balls do you see in your screen right now? There is one ball, right? Since there is only one ball in your screen right now, we are using there is. Now, that's how are we going to use there is. How about let's also learn how to use there are. How many lollipops are there? Again, how many lollipops are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what's your answer? There are 10 lollipops. Again, kids. Why are we using are in here? We are using are because we have many lollipops in your screen right now. Did you understand? Let's have another example. How many pencils are there? Again, how many pencils are there? So let's count how many pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pencils? There are. Again, why are we using are? Because it's many. There are 4 pencils. Okay, remember kids, if we are using there are, since there are many pencils in here, we have to add or put s at the end of the word pencils to make it pencils because it's many. So, there are 4 pencils. Next, how many cats are there? How many cats are there in your screen right now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cats? There are 5 cats. Again, we add or we write letter S to make it cats because it's many. Now let's practice. Now, can you answer this question? How many chairs are there? Again, how many chairs are there? What's your answer? There is 1 chair. Since there is only 1 chair, we use there is. Do we have the same answer? I hope we have the same answer. Another example. How many bananas are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how are we going to answer that? There are. Again, why are we using are? Because it's many. There are 4 bananas. We add S or write S at the end of the word banana because it's many. So, there are 4 bananas. Kids, for your exercise, I want you to answer page 43 in your English World Workbook and number 1. here's how are you going to answer. Find the same picture and circle it. Example number 1. Look at the picture. What's this? It's a truck, right? So you should circle the same picture in number 1. So where is the same picture in number 1? This one, it has the same picture. How about number 2? What's number 2? What picture is this? It's an umbrella, right? So which one is here have the same picture? This one is the same picture in number 2. In part 2, find the same letter and circle it. Number 1, letter B. Where is the same letter in number 1? Okay, this one has the same letter, so you circle that one. Very simple. Now kids, for your homework, I want you to answer page 44 in your English World Workbook also. Now in number 1, write. Example number 1, what's this? A cat, right? How many cats? 1 cat. Next, how many cats? We have 2 cats. 1, 2. So you write 2 cats in here. Since it's many, we use what? We add or write letter S because it's many. 2. So that's how are you going to answer. How about in number 2? Write there is or there are. Example number 1. How many sweets are there? Again, how many sweets are there? Okay, how many sweets are there? Is it many or only 1? Many. Let's count. How many sweets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how are you going to answer that one? Are we going to use there is or there are? We use there are because it's many. There are 8 sweets. Right? Number 2. How many cakes are there? How many cakes do you see in your screen right now? Only 1. So we use there is 1 cake. So you answer like that. That's it for today. To prevent the spread of the coronavirus, don't forget to always sanitize your hands. And thank you once again. Goodbye. See you again next time.